Right, okay, we're on to a new project. I've still got the Beamer from the last episode, but I've just seen this 1.8 litre turbo Audi A3. It was on eBay, going for 850 quid. So, mechanically, it's absolutely sweet. It's just a bit of a dog, you know what I mean? But I can do full resprays for cheap, so I mean, I don't want to be rude.
Well, I mean, I don't want to be rude.
So, the plan is, I'm going to do all the repairs, which there is quite a few. The front bumper being like the worst looking. A few dents on the tailgate and shit. Scuffs everywhere, like it looks like a piece of shit, but it isn't a problem. I'll do all the repairs, and then it's going fully black, like how I did the 3 Series. And I think I'm going to do the wheels white. My jeez, it's like 8 o'clock in the morning. Today's the day though that the Audi is getting painted. I was going to do the wheels. Turns out though it's sunny today. It's freezing cold, so it ain't perfect conditions, but it's close enough. Right, here we go. She's sat up in the location now. Ready for it. Sun's out, bun's out. Lads, I'll be honest. I may have been slightly optimistic with this one. So, I started DAing off like all the shit. Mate, the bumpers need replacing. But, you know, this episode is pretty much just gonna see how forgiving is Raptor paint, because this is a dog. I really wish that I could take it back. I know you think that you can keep me hanging. You don't say the things you don't say. Boys, this is a long one. Covered in fucking dust. It's 12 o'clock now. Let's have a look around. I've done as much of the repairing as I'm willing to do. Sun goes down at 4:30, so I need to crack on, get it masked up and get some paint on it ASAP, you know what I mean? Look, here we go. Right. Still a couple of tiny ones to knock down, but the bumper's looking way better. I'll just put a thin skim on there. Mate, dusty Springfield. Like I say, yeah, didn't account for all this, but you live and you learn. I'm gonna scotch it up now, start masking, so let's go. Believe it or not, it's 2:45 PM. I started at, I don't know, 9. I went super duper quick because I was like, it's gonna go sunset at 4:30. And at one point I thought it was 1:30 and it was like 12:30 or something. For some reason, fuck knows. But I've only gone and repaired it, prepped it, masked and painted it in a few hours, mate. I am a Jedi. Don't ever get it twisted. Yeah. What? Look, turned out better than I expected. I'm not saying it's perfect, but for 600 quid, it looked shit. It was completely fucked. And I've got paint on me, it's not coming off yet. For a day's graft, and obviously I'll have to do the wheels still, 850 quid, like something like that all in. It's well worth doing, you know what I mean? So there's going to be people out there who are like, oh, that's shit, mate, whatever. I'm not trying to impress everyone, I'm just showing you what I do, and then hopefully I can make money on it. Like, but in the meantime, I drive it round and I like it, you know what I mean? So if you've got a hobby and you like doing something, just go for it, you know what I mean? If you can make a bit of bean off it, why not? Looks sound. So it's 4 PM, it's all done. I've unmasked it, as you can see. I'm happy with that, you know what I mean? Not bad for a day's work. Right, so today it's Sunday. Yesterday I painted the Audi. Today we've just done Max's SLK. Look, bosh. Look at this little beauty.
Check out, makes the headlights pop like a brand new, but they're not.
Looking freshmans, obviously there's dust on the wheels and all that. We still need to paint. This one's having black alloys, but that's for another video. I've only gone and done the smoke tail lights like I said I would. Looks way better. And I've done the little side repeaters. You know you need to do that shit. Can't have it bright red lights on that. But yeah, buzzing with that. So now it's just wheels on this, wheels on Max's, and then they're all done. Looks fresh though. Well happy with the outcomes. Yeah, baby. This is a week after we painted both of these motors, yeah. It's supposed to not be raining today, but it's just started spitting a little bit. We need to get these wheels done though, we've got big plans, you know what I'm saying? So started scotching them up, then we're just going to mask them up. Mine are going white, his are going black. Change the plan with the paint colour, it's gone black. Look, some of the wheels look shit, yeah. I haven't got all the tools to get in between, and like, I'm not spending all day on it, you know, it's a few hour job. This is a 600 quid motor that we're just trying to earn money on, so the wheels are going to look better. Yes, it's pretty bodgy, but it's all prepped properly. Well, I say properly, you know, I've gone over everywhere, but there's flaky bits that it's like, I can't get them off, like, they need taking off, doing properly, but I haven't got all that shit. So what I have got is my DA. Take as much of it off as you can. Make sure it's all scotched up and all that shit. Get some paint on it, you know what I mean? We're trying to make it look better. We're not doing a proper Lamborghini style job. Here we go though. Now this wheel's the worst. See on the inside here, that kind of shit. That's what I mean about this shit job. Like, you wouldn't do that if it was your 10 grand motor. You'd have it, you'd do it properly, but for this, it's fine. You know what I mean? Some of them look sick. I think it looks pretty. It's definitely going to look sick once it's all done. But like you say, I know it's not an amazing job. I'm not saying it is, so you know, bear with us. All done. Let's see the final results.